locked. It's not locked.
Madam, where?
Where is the prostitute that is living in this house? I want to see her.
Prostitute?
Yes, the prostitute that lives here. I want to see her.
There is no prostitute.
Who
Who are you looking for?
Rita lives in this place.
You called me.
This is the house. Rita lives here, I'm sure.
Who are you?
Let's go.
Rita lives here, I'm sure.
Let's go.
I've seen her. Mama, let's go inside. Rita! She lives here. Rita! Where's my snatcher? Come on, I'm here for you.
Come on.
Where are you people? Come on. No. You are following them. What do you people want?
Fast, can show me. Where is she? Where is she?
There she is.
Oh.
See the husband snatcher here.
Very good. So you are the one. Eh? You are the one who has vowed never to allow my daughter marry her husband up here?
Excuse me, who are you?
You dare ask me such stupid question? You dare ask me such stupid question? Do you think I've come here to play with you? How many times have you been warned to stay away from where my daughter's husband is? How many times? I'm asking you.
As old as you are, you barged into my house to shout at me?
Of course, sure.
You know what? You go out of the house this minute.
You say? What did you say?
Barge into my house shouting at me. Out!
She said you should get out. Get out.
Get out of my.
What is going on there?
This, your daughter is a whore. A harlot. Tell her to leave my daughter's husband. Peter! What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
I don't know.
Luchy!
What is the meaning of this?
What are you people doing here?
Mom, what's the problem?
What are you doing here?
Wait. Did she call you mom?
Yes.
She's your daughter?
Yes, it's my daughter. That small Chisara now, you know.
Hey!
Chisara!
This is the twin sister.
Hey, what? Yeah. Don't.
What is
It's a lie.
here?
Peter, stop. You have started. What is it?
You people are confusing us. What is going on here? Can somebody explain?
Yeah.
Seriously, I'm not joking.
Hey! Peter! Hey! Yeah. Hey! Chim.
Yes! Come on, mom. What's happening? Both of them are twins.
They are sisters.
No way. This husband snatcher can never be my sister, Mom.
What you don't know is bigger than you. She's your twin sister.
Well, you never told me I had a sister.
Chisara, what you don't know is bigger than you. She's your sister.
Mom,
Yes.
this is not why we are here. And this girl here, who has inflicted a lot of pain on me, will never be my sister.
Chisara, come on. This is a different story we are seeing altogether.
Are you serious about this?
Yes, Mom. My mother even confirmed that she's my twin. But Mom, how can such a person be my twin? Someone who took what belongs to me and caused me so much pain. How?
I can't believe this. I can't believe it. Kelvin, are you aware that you're dating two sisters? Twins at that.
What are you talking about and who are you talking about?
I am talking about Rita and Zara.
What sort of joke is this? Rita and Zara, twin sisters? How?
Mom, she might be my sister, but this fight is not yet over until she leaves my man for me.
How come this information? Where did you get that from?
She went with her mother to Rita's place, and Rita's uncle and Zara's mother recognized each other.
Rita and Zara, twin sisters.
Twins.
This must be a joke.
Joke.
Serious joke of the century.
Arena, could you please tell us why you called for this meeting?
Thank you, Peter. And I also want to thank everybody sitting here. I wanted this meeting because I wanted Peter and Lizzie to bear me witness as to what I have to tell my 2 daughters. What transpired between the father and I.
Of what choice is that, Mommy? No matter what you say here today, it is not going to change my notion about the one who snatched my husband from me.
Shut up. Shut up. What you don't know is bigger than you. I've always told you that. So keep quiet. I am your mother. When I speak, you keep quiet.
Please, go ahead.
My husband and I were living happily in a 1-bedroom apartment. He was an artisan then. 3 years after I gave birth to this children, things suddenly changed after I gave birth to the twins.
Zara, Rita, are you supposed to come and take you? I want to popcorn. Say you like popcorn. I will tell you, yeah? What is it? Come here. My baby, yeah. Good girls. Here's my girls. The girls are doing well. Okay, let me take this one. When you finish this one, I'll add the yeah.
Irina, go in and get me something to eat. I am very, very hungry. Am I not talking to someone? I said, go inside and get me something to quench my thirst. I'm very, very hungry.
Michael, you too.
Irina, I will not repeat myself again. Go inside, get me something to quench my thirst.
Zara, Rita, we should go inside. And wait for me. Hey, hold it. Go inside and wait for me, yeah? Mom will come and meet you inside, yeah? Good girls. Michael, I will not get you anything to eat until you tell me where exactly you are coming from.
Are you coming? I am talking to you. I am talking to you. I am talking to you. No, it has gotten to a point. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. I'm sorry. I used to be. So it has gotten to a point. Yeah, you are not challenging my care. No, you are not challenging my care. It has gotten to a point where. Oh, it has gotten to a point where you are not challenging my care. You are not challenging.
Arena, where are you coming from?
I went to the chemist to treat myself.
Arena, which chemist are you talking about? Liar! Which chemist are you talking about? Shut up your mouth, liar! Which chemist are you talking about? Do you think I have not been told about the affairs you're having in this street?
Affairs? Michael, what are you saying? Please stop it. What are you saying?
More one word from you, I will break your jaw. Now get inside and get me something to eat. I'm late for work.
You don't expect me to keep quiet while you are accusing me. What are you saying? I did not do anything. I just went to the chemist to treat myself. Look at my face.
Arena, you are not talking back at me because you go about seeing other men, right? Let me tell you, as far as I'm concerned, this marriage is over. Go inside and pack your things. I said go inside and pack your things.
Fine, if you want me to leave, I will leave. And if I leave this house, you will never see me again.
You think I am bluffing, right? I am not going back on my word. I will go and call my sister Elizabeth and Peter to come and bear witness to what I am telling you now. Now get inside and pack your things. I said get inside and pack your things.
I did not do anything.
Go, get inside and pack your things. Go.
is this? Eh? What is all this? It's almost 12 noon. And my husband has not been home since yesterday. What is all this? Who is deceiving this man? Who is deceiving my husband, for Christ's sake?
Arena, you will not kill me in this house. You will not kill me in this house, Arena. Arena, I will kill you in this house. You are not going to kill me because my mother did not kill my father.
Huh?
Yes. Yes. You will not kill me in this house. You will not.
Darling, what is going on? Where have you been?
Don't you ever call me your darling again, because I am not. Do you think I don't know who your darlings are? Eh? Besides, what are you still doing in this house? Let me tell you, I cannot continue to live in my own house with a prostitute. Never. Never.
Here. Oh, darling, what are you talking about now? Eh? I thought your relatives have already settled this issue. Why are you still bringing it up? And you accepted everything, no?
Never. I have not accepted anything. I have not accepted anything. If you and my relative have settled it, I have not settled with you. I have not settled with you. If by tomorrow morning you have not packed your things, I mean the rags you have in this house, and get out of my house, I will kill you. I will kill you. And by the way, while leaving, take Zara alongside with you, because I am having this feeling that she's going to be like you. Yes, like mother, like daughter. If you do not leave my house after tomorrow, I will kill you. Eh? Make sure I make sure you leave this house by tomorrow. Else, I will kill you and bury you, and nobody will hear anything. I will not warn you again. I will kill you. You think I am joking? You think I am joking? How can Arena choose to kill me before my time in my own house? Why? Arena, this house will not contain the both of us. Never. Never. Arena, never. It will not. You know me now. You know me. It will not work. Never.
So I left with Zara, as he said. I didn't want to tell anybody. Because I know that if I told you people, you will not allow me to go. I was afraid you might kill me one day. So I left because I had made up my mind already. But before I left, I put a mark on Rita's neck so that I can identify her in future.
Arena, our brother told me that you ran away with his daughter without his consent.
I thank God you knew about everything I said here. Your brother asked me to take Zara away, and I knew he meant it. So I had to go.
But Mom, how come you never mentioned this to me? Instead, you lied about my father.
I did not lie. I didn't know how to tell you. Because I don't want you to live with it.
Well, we've heard all you've said. Okay? The truth of the matter is that I was aware, I was actually a witness to what transpired. Okay? No matter what happened in the past, the important thing now is that you are back to reunite the family. Okay? So you're welcome.
Thank you very much, Peter. There's still one more thing.
Which is?
When I left, I noticed I was 3 months pregnant.
Huh?
Yes. And the young man sitting here is the result of that pregnancy.
Here! Mom! Here! Eh? He looks like me, oh. Eh?
He didn't know. Look at you. Idiot.
Peter! Peter! Meh!
Get out.
Meh! Peter! Meh!
That is the only way I will accept her as my sister.
What exactly are you talking about, Zara?
What I'm saying is, Rita has to leave Kelvin for me if she wants me to take her as my sister. Simple.
What are you saying? No, I want to know exactly what you mean. Rita is your own blood. Your sister. You want to throw her away because of a man? You want a man to come in between you and your own blood?
Does it look like I care about blood? Or emotions? I don't care.
Zara, I think you're allowing your emotion to take control of you. We are talking about peace here. Come on.
Ekene, I am very sure you heard the condition for the peace you're talking about, right?
Yes.
Rita destroyed the relationship I built for years, thereby causing me emotional trauma. So she has to leave Kelvin for me. And that's it.
Mama, you need to talk to Rita. I observe she behaves more matured. I think she might accept to sacrifice her love for peace to reign.
Tough Kelvin. Who does not want to leave Rita alone? What do we do?
Mama, let's talk to Rita first and see what the outcome will become.
This one's head here is spinning. Are you sure Rita's own will not spin too?
Mama, forget about Zara. Let's talk to Rita first.
You are sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's talk to her first.
It's all right.
Peter. Sorry. Erigeri. I mean, when will you be wise in this life? Kedu mgbe ọ bụ? Kemgbe ị ga-enwe sense?
Which kind of stupid question is that? Eh? Why are you insulting me this afternoon? What kind of insult is this?
You angry, eh? You're supposed to listen whenever I talk to you. Don't you know that this is a plot for that boy to inherit the properties that belong to you? Imaro!
Is that why you should insult me? What's wrong with you? You're supposed to tell me so that I think about it. Let me think. So are you telling me that Arena lied to us?
What kind of stupid question is that?
You are insulting me again.
She was never pregnant for your brother. If she's telling the truth, where is the proof? Let her prove it.
I think you are right, too. I think you are making a lot of sense here. Hey.
Let me tell you. Arena made that plan. Immediately she found out that your brother left behind a big wealth. Similar incidents happened in our village when I was small. You see that boy? He is an imposter. He wants to reap where he did not sow.
Hey. Everything you said is correct. Yes. What should I do now?
Good. That was one of the best questions you've ever asked.
Stop insulting me now. You are talking reasonably here. You are insulting me. Tell me, what should I do?
Give me respect because I'm the one that always brings out the plan.
Who executes it? Look at you. Please talk to me. Talk to me. What should I do?
First thing is this. You see this revelation. Your sister must not know about it.
Look, I don't like the way you insult me at every given opportunity. Eh?
If you have sense, you know what to do. I should not be the one to remind you. Hey!
What was this?
Honey? You know I forgot to tell you. Let's go to the room. The bedroom. I want to show you something interesting.
We've never started the thing, you're already sweating.
This Amaka has a dubious character. I know that we are discussing something. The moment they saw me, they kept quiet. They don't want me to know what they're discussing. No problem. I must find out.
That was it. I was surprised to know that I have a brother.
Have you spoken with Zara, one-on-one ever since then, about this whole issue?
No. She left immediately after the meeting.
So what was her mood? Was she happy? Was she excited?
I really do not know. But the most important thing is that we both know who we are. And I want to believe that she is going to stop giving us headache and allow us get married peacefully.
And you think I will allow that? I once told you that no one reaps where he or she did not sow. Zara has been with my son for years now. So now that you have found out, you know what to do.
Mom, do you have to interrupt our discussion?
You expect me to keep quiet and allow her to say all the rubbish in this house? The earlier she gets that into her stupid skull, the better for all of us.
Is she listening to our discussion?
You know, I have respected your mother enough. The next time she talks to me in this manner, I won't take it from her.
It's okay. You know how my mother talks. So chill.
The thing I don't get is why she hates me for no reason. She keeps talking about how long Zara has been with you, ignoring the fact that you took my virginity.
You don't really need to bother yourself about all this. You already know my stand in all this.
I do. But she needs to stop forcing Zara on you. That's my point.
But what will be, you cannot break.
That is why I sent for you. I want peace to reign. Because Zara is your sister. Whatever she has is yours.
Mom is right. Honestly, I'm very happy to have you as my sister. So let's use this opportunity to make things right.
Yes.
Thank you. The truth is, if there's anyone to let go between Zara and I, it should be Zara.
Mom, have you seen it? Have you seen that she's not even ready for the peace you people are talking about? This woman here is not even ready for the peace you people are talking about. Oh, lost but found sister. You want me, Zara, to leave a man I have already fixed my wedding date with? Are you even serious?
Hey, what is wrong with you? What's your problem?
Mom, this woman here is my problem. Tell her to leave my man for me. Calvin is mine, come what may.
Zara, what is it now? Can you just let things be?
No, Ekene. I have received a lot of insult from this woman. Who is she to come here and tell me to leave my man for her?
She has not said so.
She did, Mom. She did. I heard her clearly. Yeah. If it is peace that you people are talking about, just forget about it. Because it is never going to work between me and this whore here.
How dare you? Enough! Now listen to me. If you are not ready for the peace that we're talking about, then get ready for the opposite.
Rita!
She slapped me.
Yeah, keep quiet. Shut it up. Shut your mouth. If not, I will slap you back.
The war has just begun.
Yeah, wait.
She slapped me.
Yes.
She slapped me.
And I will slap you another one if you just don't take it.
Okay.
I'm off here. Don't bang my door. Papa. Pigeon car.
Mama, which is Papa? What's wrong with this job?
She was standing here. You could not even ask her. You're asking me. Hey, Mama. Are you okay?
Please, you should caution this your daughter. What?
Yeah, you should leave this place.
What's wrong with her?
So you leave this.
Mama, I don't like this thing you are doing. What is it?
Nonsense. Somebody came. I was trying to make peace. I told you that to come and make peace. Zara Simumba. You don't want to make peace. You are here. You are listening to her. She was singing. She left and you're asking me questions. I don't fear.
Guy,
Alpha,
our client offered 50,000 for the job.
50,000. Yeah. What is 50k? Nah, that one is too small.
But no worry. No worry. I price 100,000. You understand? I price 100. Let's say she will. You understand?
Okay, she will complete her.
Yes. I don't send them the account details.
It will be small work.
Wait. Let's send her.
Oh yeah, no, check.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello? You no need to fear. I don't tell you, say, the only thing you need now, the account where I don't send give you. Just credit us the 100,000. Yeah. Send us her picture. By the end of tomorrow, people don't wear black, they walk out for streets. Yeah, you understand? You know, guys, just send us the picture for WhatsApp. Well, before that, credit us. That's the main thing. Alright, we dey wait.
Movement. This is not small job. What would they do now? That don't be anything now.
Let's go.
Rita, tell us why you called for this meeting. And please be brief. Because as you can see, my wife is not here. She's upstairs waiting for me, so be fast about it.
Must you talk about your wife all the time? Can't you talk without mentioning Amaka's name?
What is your problem?
What is your problem?
What is your problem? Who called?
Problem? Because can you Rita, go on, Jerry.
Am I the one who told you not to have a husband?
The reason I called for this meeting is because of my mother and my siblings. I'd like to know if there's anything I need to do to bring back my mother, especially back to her husband's house.
Rita, bring who back to your family? I was thinking you called this meeting for us to discuss how we are going to equitably distribute my late brother's wealth. And you are here talking about your mother that was divorced by my late brother decades ago? Can you hear yourself?
What are you trying to say?
What he's trying to say is that neither your mother nor your siblings has a place in this house. Inano? Because my brother, your father, divorced your mother long ago.
My mother never said that.
And I am telling you now.
Yes, she's telling you. Because you see this house, I inherited it from my late brother. And I'm not going to share it with anybody.
Peter! You are what?
My inheritance.
Are
you talking to me?
Peter! Which house is your inheritance?
Yes, this house.
You are a liar. Because Chief Micheal, my brother, is the one name. He willed this house to me. Forget that I allow you and your wife to stay in this house. I know why. I know why. So don't be too relaxed. Nonsense.
Did you hear her? Thief. Oh, something is wrong.
Auntie? Was that why you poisoned their food?
Yeah? What did you say?
You remember that night you're looking for your dinner? I took it away because it was poisoned.
Eliza, is that true?
This girl has taken kai. She don't know what she's saying. I don't know what she's talking about. Was it in your dream? Me? How can I do such a thing? Rita, why?
I knew you were going to deny it. I had it recorded.
Oh, you recorded it?
Here.
Let me see. Hey! Hey! Eliza. So you wanted to kill my wife and I so that you can take over my inheritance, eh? You have failed. Hey. So this was what happened. Hi. This was what happened that day. Amaka. Amaka, oh. Amaka. Bia. Hey! Yeah, what is this? Come and see. You remember that food we were looking for? Eh? We were looking for who took the food from that table. It was Rita that took it away.
I knew it. I told you that she's the one.
Hey, don't be too fast. Rita saved us. We would have been dead by now. This devil poisoned our food. She wanted to kill us. She poisoned our food so that she can take over our inheritance. Look at it. True. Come and look at it. Rita recorded it. Look.
Hey! Eliza! How are you? So this is how you are. If we talk, your mouth will be doing pre. So you want to kill us?
Look, eh?
Look. So you want to kill us?
Look, if I blow you, eh? If I blow you, if I was you, oh, even though that my father warned me not to touch a woman, eh? I would have pieces you here now.
What do you mean not to touch a woman? Is it not your wife that your father told you not to beat? This is your sister. Beat her.
Oh, so it's only in my hands that you have power. You beat her. Is she not your fellow woman? Beat her.
Okay, stay. You see what I will do.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Just give me.
Give you chance.
Okay, now back.
Evil people everywhere.
Wicked woman. You call yourself a sister, but you are a killer. Wicked. You must leave this house today. Today you must go. Where are you? Move. Move, go to place. Move.
Killer. Go before you kill all of us. You want to kill all of us? Pick up. Get out of there. You sold my husband's car alone. Ate the money. You know we can sort this out. Eh? Please, you're my brother. Eh?
That is what I'm sorting out now. Sorting out means you leaving this house. Leave my house.
Peter. Remember I'm your sister. You are my brother.
Yes.
Eh? Please, forgive me. Forgive your sister.
Oh, it's like you don't know me. Look, I'm like Mopo. The more you beg, the more he gets angry. The more you beg me, the more I grow angry. In fact, I'm angrier now. Leave, oh. Leave, oh. Leave, oh. As you are, look at my eyes. I'm getting angrier now. Leave, oh.
Nah, you're wasting time. You don't want to go. So, Badero, I will call the police for you now.
Okay, Amaka, wait. She doesn't want to leave. Now, I give you two options. One is for you to leave now and have your peace. The second one is I will call the police and I will lock you up. Do you know your charges? 1, conspiracy to kill husband and wife. 2, conspiracy to put poison inside their food. 3, conspiracy for Rita catching you in poisoning them. 4, conspiracy to murder. Look, I will the count charges and you now leave.
It's too much.
Choose one.
Peter, please. I'm not calling the police. Where is your phone?
Give me the phone.
You don't call the police. I will go. Okay?
Oh,
you
yeah,
are
go.
not talking like a reasonable human being. Oh, yeah.
Get out from here. Why are you looking at me like this? Go now. I don't understand. Go. You go. Oh, yeah, come.
You carry it by yourself.
Oh, yeah, move. Alele. Go.
Come out your eye for waiting no be your own. Evil people everywhere. Hey, wicked people everywhere. Patrolling like hungry wolves, attacking the innocent. Oh, evil people everywhere. Wicked people everywhere. So be careful who to trust.
We now have this whole place to ourselves.
This is the opportunity we have been looking for. You got to go.
You got to go.
We will now cool down, relax, execute the plan. You got to go. You know that I am the master planner and you are the chief executioner.
Executioner. You see, Rita has helped us. She just made this easier for us.
You got
Let's
to
go
go.
inside. One shot.
I will prepare a special for you.
He's not just that special, but the other special.
You got to go.
Let's go. Let's go.
It's not taking school.
Zara.
Mom?
What is it? Are you alright?
I'm fine. Excuse me, please. I need to eat this.
You can force a house to the river, but cannot force it to drink. You can fight within your powers, but what will be, will be. You cannot break a bond that is so strong, a bond built in true love, a bond built in true love. Cause no matter what, no matter the fight, and the obstacles, what we be will be. 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 No matter the challenges and obstructions.
I can't find them. Lost them. I think they've taken another route. I think I have to call the police. Hello?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I offended you. Please just let me go.
Shut up.
I'm having pains. My whole body is paining me. Please, my heart is paining.
Shut up. You still get mad to talk, Abi? As you do like this now, so what would they wait, eh? Now our lads, as we receive, what you go here for your head now? Oto. You go collect. This one will give you for her, then I'm testing the gun. 1, 2. They make noise, bro. They make noise. They make noise. You never start, sir.
I'm sorry, please. What did I do?
They make noise, man.
Please! You move, I'll shoot you. If you move, I'll shoot you. Okay. Don't look back. Go. Continue moving. Move. Move it.
I've been thinking.
About what?
You know what we are going to do, eh? We are going to sell this house. Yes, When we sell it, the money we generate from it, we use it and travel abroad, settle down and flex ourselves. Yotago?
How do we go about it? We don't know anyone in this city.
After you be priding yourself that you are a planner, master planner, I'm executioner. Eh? Look, all I need to do is just look for an agent. The agent will sell it. That's all. We collect our money.
Okay. Mr. Planner now, do you have the papers to this house? Yeah.
When we get to the bridge, we'll cross it.
I like that statement. When we get to the bridge, we will cross it. Hey.
Simple.
Come on, Maka.
Eh?
Oh, Maka.
The phone is ringing.
Who is calling?
Rita.
Answer her.
Hello? No, I'm the uncle. What? How? Where? When? Okay.
Hey, what happened? Who was that?
He said Rita was shot this afternoon by kidnappers.
Is she dead?
He didn't quite say, but I'm sure she's dead.
Hey! Another magic. Hey! Rita is a gunner. Hey! Our plans are falling into place. Oh my God, no.
I don't understand you. How can you say our plans are falling into place where somebody just died?
Hey!
My niece. Oh.
Hey! You see it? If I talk now, you will say that I have talked. With Lizzie out of the scene, now Rita is a gunner. You got to go? Arena and the rest was an open couple. Everything is falling into place for our good. Falling into place for our good.
This is my head. I don't know what is wrong with it. Before I start thinking, you're already there.
Fast.
This your packaging there, your computer software is something else. Oh. Look, see, I'm now in the mood. Let's go inside.
Every time you will be in the mood to think fast, you will not think.
Like this, can put one in the mood.
Okay, it will put you in the mood.
Let's go.
Now I will be the one to do.
Where are you going?
Mommy, I have an emergency. I'll be back by next week.
And you did not tell me anything about the traffic.
Mommy, that is why it is called an emergency. When I come back next week, we'll talk about it. Please, I have to go.
Sarah, where are you going?
Kevin, what are you doing here?
Is she the one?
Yes, sir. She's the one, sir.
Sit down. On the floor. Please arrest her. She's the one.
What are they talking about? Officer, I don't know these people. I don't know them. I have not done anything. I didn't do anything.
Young lady, you are under arrest for the offense of kidnapping and other criminal offenses. For your own good, you have every right to remain silent for whatever you say or do to be used against you in the court of law.
Why are you arresting me? At the moment, I've not done anything. I don't know what these people what they told you for.
Who are you? My guy is talking, you are talking.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
What has she done?
Mom, when I come back, I'll let you know. Officer, please do your work.
I didn't do anything. I don't know these people. I don't know these people. I don't know them. What has she done? I didn't do anything.
Move.
Mommy, I didn't do anything.
What's wrong?
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Yeah?
Oga, the house is okay.
Hmm?
Yes, the house is okay.
What do you mean by the house is okay? House is okay. You went around the house, you checked the exterior, you came in here, looked at inside. This fantastic house, you are just saying the house is okay. Eh? Look, any buyer you will bring to this house will rush it.
Okay, fine. What is the price?
Price?
Yeah.
Excuse me for a second. $500 million. That's too much now. Let me tell you, 300 million.
What do you mean by 200 million? Eh? If you miss this opportunity, if you miss it, you're told. Hey, I don't even blame you. It's because you don't know how much common cement costs at the market.
Don't insult me again. Don't insult me.
500 million, that is what you will take.
Okay, now. Okay. Who is Onny?
I don't know. Let me go and check.
Go.
See, 500 million. Not
I
less.
heard you now.
Instead, you add.
Don't let the man hear us.
You will not take. Let me check.
So, agent.
What is going on?
What is going on? It's just the price now. So, bring 500 million naira.
That amount is too much now.
Why are you saying it is too much? Do you know how much my brother spent? Do you know how much I spent in building this house? I spent billions of dollars building this house. You're talking, say 500 is too much.
500 million. That money is too much.
How can it be too much?
There is problem.
Problem?
What is your son? Rita and the fiancé, they are here.
They are here.
Oga, now, what is going on?
Relax now. We're having some tete-a-tete.
Okay, fine. What is your last price?
Right? What are you pricing?
Rita, you're welcome. No, I was just telling him the price for the shoes he wanted to buy from me. I sell shoes. So.
He did some shoes and he's the one that...
Oga, what are you saying now? I thought you wanted to sell the house. So why are you now diverting the discussion to something else?
Will you keep quiet? You wanted to sell house.
You wanted to sell my father's house?
I don't know.
Don't mind him, oh.
Why are you like this?
You thought I was dead?
Moi.
And you wanted to sell my father's property?
Sell which house? This fine house that my brother left for me. No, I won't sell it. Oh.
Why are you lying?
How can I sell the house that my brother left for me? This fine house? No, I won't sell it. Oh.
Okay, if that's the case, I'm not buying again.
Who wanted to sell before, sir?
Buying what?
The house that I inherited, you want to sell. You see, it was my wife that was luring me. That's the truth. I didn't want to sell the house. So she's the one. She said she's a computer software. So she gives me all the bad things. She puts a lot of bad things in my head. So at the point I was confused. My friend, don't touch me. Are you a member of my family? What's your problem? Shift.
Who is telling you what? Don't you have bread? If I tell you to jump inside the fire, you will jump inside.
Yeah, you not Eve. You jump inside fire. When Eve gave Adam apple, was Adam able to resist you?
So this is how you
are.
How
can I resist you?
This is how you are.
Huh?
That I'm the one that is implanting you bad things.
You are the one. Please, please. I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, jump inside fire now.
I won't sell it.
That was all that happened. My late husband, Kevin, wanted to have my uncle and his wife arrested. But I pleaded with him to please forgive them. After 2 months, Kelvin and I got married. And we were blessed with 2 sets of twins. Your mother and her twin brother were the first set.
I did not abandon you. Have you forgotten how your father humiliated me?
My late father?
Late? Is he dead now?
Yes.
Oh.
He died early this year of cardiac arrest.
Oh. I'm so sorry about that.
Thank you. I never knew I would ever see you again.
Same here.
So why did you run away from me?